Do you know how can we send data from one ESP to another? In our last video, we saw that we can use ESP-NOW for that. But it is ESP-NOW broadcast. What if I want to send data from one ESP to a particular ESP32 device? With broadcast mode, all the receivers would react every time. There is no way that we can pick a particular receiver. Imagine you are trying to control one light, but the broadcast sends messages to all boards. So all devices connected to every board gets turned off. That is why we need unicast. Instead of broadcasting the messages to every board, now we are going to send message only to particular boards. Let's call it ESP-NOW Uni-cast. ESP-NOW allows you to register a specific peer by MAC address and send a packet straight to that device. Every board still listens on the same channel, but now it knows whose packet just arrived because the sender MAC writes along with the message. We still have three boards as like before, but now each one has two buttons and two LEDs. One button talks to one peer and the other button talks to the second peer. Which LED lights up depends on who sent the packet. Before any of these to work, each board needs to know the MAC address of the other two boards. This sketch prints its own MAC. Flash it on all three boards and note down the MAC addresses. Once we received all three MAC addresses, then hardcode these MAC addresses into our real sketch. Now flash the code on all three boards, but remember to update the peer MAC address when we flash it on each boards. Both the sketches are available in the Git. The link is in the description. When I press this button, you can see the LED on this board lights up. When I press the second button, the LED on the second board lights up. The same way, when I press the button on this second board, the LED on the first board lights up. When I press this button on the second board, the LED on the third board lights up. Same will happen if I do it on the third board. ESP now supports up to 20 peers per board, so it isn't capped at these 3 peers. But every peers need the MAC address hard-coded and reflashed by hand. This is a real limitation here, not the protocol, but the workflow. In the next video, I will fix this entirely. Full code for all the boards are linked in the below GitHub. In the next video, a web page that configures this peer MAC address for you. So there is no reflashing required. You can use same code for all PCBs. If you found this video useful, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Consider subscribing the channel for more such content. If you didn't watch the first video on ESP-NOW broadcast, please watch it here.